Тепер слово має Сімонас Кайрис, віце-мер города Каунаса, який так гостинно вже 5-й раз приймає сотні делегатів з Білорусі.
First of all apologize for me because I can't speak Russian or Belarusian, so my speech will be in English. Dear participants of the Congress, distinguished guests, let me take this opportunity to welcome you here in Kaunas city. It's not only the city of all traditions, but also a big center of science, business and culture. I hope that during your stay you will have some time to explore rich history, enjoy unique architecture and autumnal landscapes of our city. I'm glad that the 5th anniversary of International Congress of Belarusian Studies takes place in Kaunas and has attracted over 400 scientists from over 20 countries. This international congress, covering 11 panel fields including political and social issues, the challenges of energetic safety, history, philosophy, psychology, anthropology and humanities. Preservation of cultural heritage and contemporary culture is important not only to our neighbor Belarus, but also the whole region. Moreover, sharing your knowledge and opinions will foster better cross-cultural understanding of the past and present situation of the East European region. Belarus is a very important country for Lithuania. We are long-term neighbors, we had a great history together. And let me wish that your researches inspire interesting discussions, new ideas and approaches and fruitful cooperation, and you will bring back pleasant impressions from Kaunas city. Thank you and good luck.